Welcome back to a water fountain update. The cloudiness has cleared, and you can see the pumps for the heads. There's the LED controller. There's the expert. So, yeah, and also the waterfall. So yeah, there's the expert. They will kick on anytime now. In 3, 2, 1, go on. Okay, just cut that out. 3, 2, 1, go on. Yes, I knew the timing was correct for that. Yeah, now they started with the newly programmed strange ones, so that's for this video. Also, here's the iPad where I control the whole thing. As you see, if I turn the big one off, look, it stops. On, off. Yeah, so I can also shut the waterfall down with this one. Sorry. That. Yeah, look. Off. Look, it stopped. Look, it started. Yay! So, yeah. I will show all the programming now for my fountain, each devices. This is the programming for all the lights in my fountain. This is the programming for the device that refills the fountain if the water goes down too low. This is the big Eco Expert pump. This is one of those Aquarius ones, the left one. This is one of the Aquarius ones, the right one. Like and subscribe. Trying to turn it off, but it doesn't work. It should